Students, now we have seen different material handling equipment. Now let us talk about the order picking concepts in a warehouse. There are actually three important areas or concepts in order picking. The first one would be pick to order. This is basically where a picker takes one order and travels through the whole warehouse. For example, on foot or on a truck or maybe on a crane until the entire order is picked. So this is an order picking strategy which is known as pick to order, in which you have to fulfill the total order by moving through the whole warehouse, or at least in that region of the warehouse where that order is located. So you need to pick it. Traditionally or conventionally, smaller tot bins or pallets would have been picked by the labor and would have been moved by the labor as well. But now different type of other equipments are there for pick to order, to fulfill the pick to order strategy. Then we have batch picking. We should keep it in mind that pick to order is like the order would not be located at just one area of a warehouse. It might be located at different locations. How can this happen? Because there might be different ranges and colors of SKUs which are being required in an order. So you need to visit different areas. So pick to order strategy would be used. But there is also a strategy which is known as batch picking. The main advantage of a pick to order regime is that picker typically walks the entire pick phase. Pick phase means the area of a warehouse from where you have to pick the order or the items. In situations where a typical order may only have a few order lines. Now this could happen that you have an order which is being located at one area. Then in that case, pick to order strategy would not be used. In fact, batch picking would be used. So in batch picking, the different SKUs would be stacked, or they will be stacked in the form of a stack before, and you just need to pick them and move it to the area of shipment. Then we have pick by line or pick to zero. Under this concept or strategy, the exact number of cases or items are presented for picking. So this is actually quite a complicated or sophisticated mechanism or strategy for picking an order. In fact, in this you do not pick an order, you pick the whole line or pick to zero. So that means in one area, either you will be taking the whole line or taking nothing from that area. So this is also used by different warehouses depending upon the functionality and type of orders they receive. Thank you.